Yeah, welcome to Best Ever Stone Design. We are experts in all kind of stonework, as you know. Today I'm come to deliver 45 square meters of the granite stones. This is the granite stones. Yeah, so we are doing the loading. The truck is here, so we are doing the loading. This is how it is. We cut it into all sizes and all measurements. But this one is 4 inches, 4 inches by 12 inches. You know, from here to here is 4, and from here to here is 12. Any measurement you want, we will do it for you. Whether you want to use it both interior and exterior. You can also use it for tiling. You can also use it for your compound. This is it, very beautiful, as you are seeing. We are taking 45 square meters. So this is some 2 is at the roadside. I hear boss. Yeah, so we are starting the arrangement. So we start the arrangement. Yeah, I'm delivering these materials to Apollonia, yeah, at Greater Accra, all the way to Apollonia. So this is it. You can place your order and get it as earlier as possible. So this is the stones, as you are seeing. This is the granite stones, the real granite stones. This is how it is before we cut it into sizes like that. Yes, this is the granite stones. So you can see we've shaped here. So this is how, these are the rocks we cut to get these granite cutting stones. Yeah, these stones, if you want some, you have to place order. Yeah, because it takes time for cutting it. And now we are facing electricity challenge because of the light out they've been given in the country. So if you want some, you have to place your order early so that you can get it as early as possible. Because this is 45 square meters. It took roughly almost a week and a half, 1 week and a half. So depending on the quantity of square meters you want will determine the duration. So if you need some, first I have to come to your site, take the measurement. If you get the measurement, so that we will place the order, so that they can cut it early for you. So we are taking 45 square meters of this to Apollonia. You can see we are on the process loading it. Yeah, we are loading the stones. Yeah, now we are done with the inside loading. So we are coming to load the one at the roadside. Yeah, this is it. Very beautiful, as you are seeing. Granite stones. So this is what we process. We process to get the granite. Yeah, this is the real or the raw granite stones. You can cut it 8 inches by 12 inches for floor. For your compound, this is it. Very beautiful, as you are seeing. Big ones. Any type you want, we can shape it or cut it into that type for you. So we are doing the loading. You just look at the black and white. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So the loading is still on the process. The loading is still on the process. Yeah, 157. Yeah.
150, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165.
165, 165. I need a number 8. 9. Okay, number 9. 168. 168. Oh, okay. So the loading is on the process. Oh, okay. And so when you ever start if you are right. But no, oh, okay. Martin. Yeah, now we are downloading the granite stone, so we are transporting it to Apollonia. We are transporting the stones to Apollonia in the greater Accra. Yeah, so we are on the journey. We are on the journey. We are delivering 45 square meters of granite stones to Apollonia. Yeah, now we are at Apollonia. Yeah, now we've reached Apollonia. This is how they call this place. Yeah, from here to the site it's not that far. We are almost at our destination. Yeah, so we get to the entrance of the Apollonia city. This is the entrance of the Apollonia city. So you can locate, Apollonia is located in the greater Accra. Yeah, you know, Apollonia, that is it, very nice here. This is their entrance. Yeah, this is the Apollonia city. So we are heading towards our site. Now we are heading towards our site. Yeah, we are heading towards our site. Don't forget, this is the granite stones, the granite cutting stones we are delivering to Apollonia. We've already installed some of the stones on the pillars, but this time around we'll be installing some on the building too as well. We will take one right. They make you take right. We will take on our left. So we are almost at the site there. If the stones were really on for the pillars in body, no.
Nice one.
Serious. But the car go fit climb this thing. Your car go fit climb. Okay. Make a drop then. Make a drop now this. Yeah, so this is the granite stones on the pillars. As you are seeing, very, very nicely and beautiful. So we've done the installation on the pillars, you know, very, very nicely. They'll be doing coping on top of the pillar for it to look nice. Yeah, so this is the work, not only outside, both inside and outside. So this is it. Yeah, the car is entering the building. We are going to do the offloading. Very, very beautiful. Natural stones, non-polished. Yeah, so these stones, after installing We will wash it and polish it for it to look beautiful. Yeah, so this is the inside view. This is the inside view of the granite stones. Yeah, beautiful as you are seeing. So now we are going to do the offloading. And this is where we'll be laying the new stones. We are going to do the offloading of the granite stones delivered to the site. Yeah, we have delivered it successfully to the site. We'll be doing the installation at this portion. We'll be doing the installation at this portion. So these new stones, these new granite stones are going to be used for here, from down to top. From down to top, the arc and that portion. And this portion, the black portion. We are going to take this one off to fix the granite stones. Yeah, this is the new ones we delivered, but we have some old ones too here as well. Yes, these are the old ones, the remaining ones for the pillars. We will use it to complete. We have some small maintenance in it, so we will use the old granite stone for the pillars, and we will use the new ones for the project as well. Yeah, so this is it. You can see he's arranging the stones nicely. Yeah, you can see he's doing the arrangement. These are the stones. Very, very beautiful. Offloading granite stones. We are doing the offloading. This is the granite stones, and we are doing the offloading. 45 square meters. Very beautiful and nicely. As you are seeing, yeah. We cut them into all sizes too.